my trade from CHAINLINK. This trade was started at the press conference for the tariffs yesterday that the president gave right at the close of the market. This is the weekly chart. This is the 4-hour chart. This is the 15-minute chart. I'll briefly go through what I was seeing that got my attention on CHAINLINK yesterday, and then I'll walk you through my new entries since my last update video. So this blue line that you're seeing here, this is the 200 exponential moving average. Here, this is the 200 EMA here. I observed that the price action here, with this week, this is the candle here, was trading below the 200 EMA. Also yesterday here, price action trading below the 200 EMA. And same thing here, pre-US Open yesterday, trading below the 200 EMA. So seeing that also in conjunction with this is Camarilla pivot S4. This is Camarilla pivot S3. And then my system incorporates the Camarilla pivot system, which would show price action below an S4 would trigger a potential short trade down to S6 or potentially beyond to an S10 level. So that's what this particular trade idea is based off of. Weakness based on the 200 EMA, and also positioning on the Camarilla system set up in a short position. I'll briefly walk you through yesterday's and then get you caught up on today's. So there are actually 3 positions that are right here that are out of frame. This is actually R3, the Camarilla pivot R3. This is S3. This is S4, and this is S6 here. What you're seeing right here, this is actually S7. And then what happened yesterday with this news event, price action went up into the R3 level, did a liquidity grab up here, taking out this high up here and sweeping this buy side liquidity here, then a sharp sell off, and then a break of on this candle, market structure shift. This was the last strong low. This would have been a weak high. There was a market structure shift right here, pull back, and I got an entry here, and then I'll walk you through a little bit closer so you can see what I'm talking about here. So here, this is where the market structure shift happens that takes out this strong low here. This is also in correlation with the S3 Camarilla pivot level, and also here with the 200 EMA here. So this market structure shift happening at an important level. Get some pullback. I take a few entries here. We get a little bit of consolidation and then sell off to another level. Then we get more consolidation and then another sell leg. This is the S7 level here that it sold off to. Then found buyer support here at S7, pull back up. This is S6 here, pull back to. Then I found a fair value gap right here, and then a second fair value gap right here, and we can see how price consolidated near the edge of where these two fair value gaps meet, and then this candle here puts in the swing high, or this isolated pivot here, and then we get a sell-off, a retest of this level. This was overnight, so I added, but added smaller size here. That way I could sleep. I wasn't sure if this fair value gap would hold, but it wound up holding overnight. And then we got the selling here, sold off back below we had a sell-off here back below this S6 level here, and then we're able to, in this area of consolidation here, this area here of consolidation, able to break through yesterday's lows that we can see here. Yesterday's lows here, which were here at the S7 level, this being the S6 level. We're able to break down here, or this consolidation here, see a retest of the S6 level. I take additional entries here, and I put my stop loss right above this candle, which coincides with the high of this candle here on the 4-hour time frame. Then I see another potential fair value gap here. It's a small one, and we can see this candle came back to test on this consolidation here, but never, price action never reached this fair value gap before this candle here began to, or at least this candle here never made it into the value gap area before it closed, and now we can see additional selling here, and we've just recently put in a new low here. In the current candle that we're in, we put in a new low. So right now our low is, what is this, 12,615, and target is 12,411. So we're fairly close to target here. And we'll pull it up on the 4-hour just to get a look here. Yeah, so we're fairly close. We're approaching. We've got some room to go, but we're a lot closer than yesterday. And yesterday I had the option of taking, my original target was here at this S7 level, but watching price action and how aggressive, especially in this area, this S6 level, this is my normal target for anything that's an S4. S6 is my normal target, even if usually there are multiple targets, but I'll usually just choose the S6 level just because it's, once you get past S4, S6 is going to be the next, let's say, critical level that you're going to hit. With that in mind, things turn around and different things, but the price action on this was so strong, especially here, this S6 level, going to S7 to me seemed like it would be selling the trade a bit short. So actually I changed my target to this 1241. This is actually the S10 level, which is rare that I will go for it. But with the news event and the way that the market has reacted, I figured that if any time an S10 was going to work out, it would be potentially this time or any other time where a news event has triggered price action, and the price action is trading aggressively in my direction. So we'll see how this continues to play out for the day, and so far so good. Profits were really good here in this S7 level yesterday, and psychologically I was kind of kicking myself for just not taking profits and getting out, then having to watch it pull back. But I can say that it's been worth the wait so far, getting an opportunity to make a small add here and survive that overnight, and then to add some more size on here this morning, not knowing whether or not this thing was going to blast off on me or respect this fair value gap and give me an opportunity to hit target. So as much as it was challenging yesterday to stay focused and really pick a target and really go for it, I can say it's definitely been worthwhile so far. Looking at the P&L, I was looking at somewhere around maybe around about $715 yesterday with taking profits. If I were to take profits here, I'd be looking at $700 to $715. We can see equity-wise, this is proving to be a lot more of a fruitful trade, just having patience and a bit of conviction in the trade idea. It's great to hit targets, and that's what I normally want to do, but that concept of let your winners run, and being able to add in multiple positions on the way down into the trade has been definitely an experience. And then being able to have 12 positions on. I've never had this many positions on in a single trade. So to me, this is good from an identification perspective, as in that concept of one good trade is showing here, as in finding something that's trading well and then just trade it well. Being concerned about over trading or all of these things are psychological concerns or things that we have to deal with as traders. But I can say, we all have our days that are better than others, and today so far has been working out pretty good. Seems like we've got some increased selling pressure coming in here on these candles, and then we can really see the volume come in on this candle here. If we can get some more volume on this current candle here, we may be able to get the selling pressure necessary to hit target here in the pre-market. We're about 45 minutes, 44 minutes away from the open of the U.S. market. So if this target here can be reached here in pre-market, that would be great, because then I would suspect some buying to potentially come back into the market, which would set up the only trade that I've been looking at today, which has been Cosmos. So we'll see how that goes. Right now we are really close to target. We just hit target, but we didn't get follow through on the ask. So if we can get another push down, we may be able to get follow through on the ask and be able to hit target here while I'm still alive here. So let's keep keep an eye on it and see if this candle here can break the lows here. There we go. Alright, we just hit target. Very good. And as you could see before that target was hit, the balance was, I think, $68, and now the balance is looking much better. So a good day, a good trading day for sure. I hope all is going well for you and your trading day. And this is On Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.